Welcome to Jenkins CI/CD pipeline tutorials hands-on with project course. In this course, we will learn Jenkins CI/CD pipeline tutorials from basic to advanced and integration of tools with Jenkins like AWS, GitHub, SonarQube, Nexus, Maven, Gradle, Docker Hub, Kubernetes, AgroCD, Slack, emails, and Prometheus and Grafana. So let's start to the course. So first of all, we will learn Jenkins introduction and Jenkins installation. So in this Jenkins introduction and Jenkins installation, we will learn introduction to Jenkins, what is Jenkins, then how to install Jenkins on Amazon Linux too, then configure Jenkins, then remove Jenkins. Then next stage we will learn how to install Jenkins on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS and configure Jenkins on Ubuntu 22.04. Then we will learn how to install Jenkins on Windows and configure Jenkins on Windows. Right. The next is we will learn set up freestyle project in Jenkins, or you can say how to create a freestyle job in Jenkins. So in this we will learn Jenkins freestyle project to integrate GitHub account. Then we will learn Jenkins freestyle job, and in this we will learn how to build Java project using Maven. Then next is we will learn Jenkins freestyle job, and in this we will learn how to build Java project using Gradle. Right? Okay. Then next is third one is we will learn how to validate Jenkins file using Studio Code, Visual Studio Code. So in this we will learn validate your Jenkins file from within VS Code. Then fourth one is we will learn what is Jenkins pipeline, or you can say how to write Jenkins pipeline, or you can say create Jenkins pipeline. So in this we will learn how to write Jenkins pipeline, or you can say create your first Jenkins pipeline. Then fifth one is variables in Jenkins pipeline. So in this we will learn how to use variable in Jenkins pipeline. The next is sixth one is continuous integration, that means CI with Jenkins, or you can say Jenkins CI explain. So in this we will learn build Java project with Maven using Jenkins pipeline. Then next one is seventh one is Artifactory with Jenkins, or you can see Artifactory integration with Jenkins. So in this we will learn Artifactory with Jenkins, or you can say install Nexus on Ubuntu. Then we will learn integrate Nexus with Jenkins, or you can say Nexus Artifactory with Jenkins. The next is eighth one is Docker with Jenkins, or you can say continuous integration with Docker and Jenkins. So in this we will learn build and push Docker image to Docker Hub using Jenkins pipeline, and then build and push Docker image to AWS ECR using Jenkins pipeline. Okay. Then ninth one is here, as you can see, SonarQube with Jenkins, or you can say Jenkins SonarQube integration. So in this we will learn integrate SonarQube with Jenkins pipeline. Then here next is deploy to Apache Tomcat using Jenkins, or you can say Jenkins Tomcat integration. So in this we will learn deploy Java Maven project var file to Apache Tomcat using Jenkins. Then next one is integrate AWS EKS with Jenkins, or you can say Jenkins AWS EKS integration. So here we will learn integrate AWS EKS with Jenkins, then integrate remove Kubernetes cluster with Jenkins, or you can say connect Kubernetes with Jenkins, and then third one is integrate AWS EKS with Jenkins using SSH agent. Okay, now the 12th point is here, notification in Jenkins. So here in this we will learn integrate Slack notification in Jenkins job, and then is set up email notification in Jenkins job. Then next is deploy to AWS EKS using Jenkins pipeline, and you can say deploy to Kubernetes using Jenkins. So in this we will learn hosting Jenkins or Kubernetes cluster and set up Jenkins on AWS EKS cluster. The next is deploy Node.js app to AWS EKS using Jenkins pipeline and deploy to AWS EKS Jenkins. Then next is Here, Jenkins pipeline with Argo, CD, and Kubernetes. Then, and next and last one is we will learn monitoring Jenkins with Prometheus and Grafana. So let's start.